Hello everyone. In an earlier video, we extended WorkDrive to a custom module. Before we remove it, let me quickly show you that the setup is working, and then I will show you how to remove it clearly. This is a custom module, as you can see. Now, if I create a record, let's say Samsung, and save it, the workflow will run. Let me refresh it. Now you can see that the workflow has run, created the folder for this record, and linked the folder ID with this record. If we now go to Easy WorkDrive and refresh it, you can see that the folder is active here. You can also perform other operations from here. Now, if you want to remove the custom module from this custom module widget and remove the folder ID field from the custom module, you can go to Settings. Then go to Modules and Fields. Open the custom module. Go to the standard layout. From here, you can remove this field. Then click Save and Close. After removing the field, if you go back to the record and try to open the Related List widget, you will see this error message. To fix that, you can simply delete the related list. This will solve the initial problem. Also, there is a workflow created for this module to create a WorkDrive folder. You can either delete it or disable it. This workflow belongs to the custom module, so you can simply delete it if you no longer need it. So, this is how you can uninstall or remove a previously extended custom module from WorkDrive for Zoho CRM. If you need any help, please contact us. We will provide full support on demand.